Hey, how's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody is having a blessed day. My name is Louis with Money Machine Lifestyle. Guys, today I'm going to talk to you guys about instant postcard wealth. It's a postcard marketing business. Okay? If you guys are not generating income from home or doing something, what are you guys waiting for? Okay? I've been with this program for, I think, over 5 years, something like that. And it's generating me income every month. Okay? Like clockwork. All right. For me, I'm with two programs. Okay, a high ticket program and this program. Okay, and this is the program that started off for me. Okay, when you guys come into this website, you guys gonna have this guy talking about the postcard marketing program that we have right now. Okay, all you have to do is just enter your name. Okay, put in your email. Okay, it's gonna take you to the next page, which is this. This page is gonna tell you everything about the business side of the program that we have. Okay, all you guys gotta do is just send out simple postcards, guys, and you guys gonna generate $98 every month. Okay, this website says everything. It tells you all about the business side. Okay, there's money to be made. There is money to be made. Okay, you send out. Let's say you send out 500 postcards. Okay, you'll probably generate 5 to 10 sales at $98 per sale. Okay, you're gonna make probably $490, $580. It all depends how many postcards you want to sell. You cannot just be home, just sitting down, send out 2 postcards and think that you're gonna make money. No, you gotta be consistent. You gotta work at your business. This is your business, not a hobby. Okay, guys, you gotta work at it, and you're going to see money if you work at your business. I'll teach you guys how to do the same thing I'm doing. Okay, all right. Like I said, today is May the 9th, 2020. Okay. All right, look, you guys think it's a joke? Look, I got a payment today of $98. Okay, I'm telling you guys, I make money. Okay, I've been with this program since, hold on a second, I'll let you guys know right now. I've been with this program since December the 24th, 2014. Since 2014, I've been with this program. Okay, and I'm telling you guys, I'm generating income. Okay. One sale is $98. Okay, let's say you have 20 people in your business with you. That's almost $2,000. 40, that's almost $4,000. Guys, this is simple. You guys gotta do is send out postcards. All right, get in contact with me. Okay, then I'm gonna leave the link underneath this this page. Actually, this video. Sorry about that. All right, the web address is incomewithpostcards.com. Okay, connect with me. All right, I'll teach you guys to do the same thing that I'm doing. All right, like I said, just connect with me and I'll teach you guys. All right, you guys have a blessed day. You guys be careful out there, okay?